Hi friends, you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Amazing Science Facts and I'm your host Abu Rehan. Friends, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how can you insert a photo into another photo by using the Microsoft Word. So now it is very easy to obtain a composite picture by combining two or more than two pictures together in Microsoft Word. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. But before I start the video, I have a simple request. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel by clicking this red colored subscribe icon. Please do not forget to click on the bell icon because by clicking on the bell icon, all my new videos will be received to you through notification. So friends, let's start the video. So first of all, you need to open Microsoft Word. So here I open the Microsoft Word. Now go to the option insert here. This is the option insert. Click it and then click the option picture and browse the photo which you want to keep as a background photo. I mean, this is the photo in which you will insert another photo. So this photo is on the Microsoft Word page. Right click on this photo and here is an option wrap text. So click on the wrap text. As you click on the wrap text, a number of other options will open inside window. So scroll down and click on the option in front of text and click this. As you click this option, your picture will become in motion and now you can change its position anywhere like this. So after doing this, you will have to insert another photo. I will minimize this window. So friends, now go to the photo that you want to insert into the photo that you have already browsed to your Microsoft Word. So this is the photo that I will insert into this photo. So the photo you are going to insert into another photo, first of all, you need to do some editing in this. So I will right click on this photo and here is an option edit. Click on this. So as you click on this, your photo will open in Paint program. So I will decrease its size and now I will edit this photo in order to make the background colorless or white. So for that, click on the home. Here is an option select. Click on the select option and here is another option which is free form selection. So click on this. As you click on the free form selection, now you can start selecting the photo from here. So here I am Now save this photo. So I click on this save, and this photo has been saved. We have removed the background of this photo. Now we will exert this photo into the one that we have browsed to our NS Word. So in this photo, now we are going to insert that photo. So again, go to the option insert and click on this. As you click on the insert, again the picture, so click on the picture and now come to that photo that you want to insert into that photo. So click on this photo. As you click on this photo, that photo will also appear on your MS Word document. So a little bit scroll down the first photo, and you will see the next photo that you have just browsed. So click on that photo. Now right click again and scroll down to the option wrap text, and again click on the option in front of text. So you have click on in front of text. Now scroll down, and here are the margin of the new photo. So decrease the size according to the photo you will be inserting in. So I will decrease the size. Now adjust this photo wherever you want. So I'll make this a little more smaller. And adjust this photo right here. After you are done with all these, here is an option remove background. If this option is not upon your screen after doing all these, come to the format, and in format you will see this option remove background. So as you click on this, here margin will appear. So adjust your margin according to the photo. I will adjust them like this. So after doing this, just click here outside the photo. As you do this, your photo has been inserted. Now if the size is still making an issue, you can increase or decrease the size in order to make it exactly fit to the original photo. So I will a little bit increase the size. Yeah, and now your photo is ready. So friends, by this way you can insert any photo into another photo by using the Microsoft Word. It is very easy. So if you liked our video, please comment your opinion, subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thank you for watching this video.